Hello, Ayushi. Good evening.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Hi. How are you, dear?
Yeah, I'm pretty well, and you?
That's really great. I am also so much sweet and I'm really so much looking gorgeous. You know why? What is the reason of my looking? Because now I'm talking to really, really good and like as a princess, as Angel. So I'm just talking to you. That's I'm really feeling glad. You are
Okay,
among us.
I'm also very glad to conversation with you, and it's a great opportunity to meet.
Wow, that's really amazing. It's really glad
Yeah,
for seriously, it is really very glad opportunity for us that in among us that
yes,
you are here with us and everyone can see you that you're really very pretty girl and as a princess. So of course everyone can learn many things by you. So Ayushi, actually I'm really so much exciting to talk with you because this is my first conversations with our really very beautiful
okay.
Angel. So you are the my you can say you are my first child podcast that I'm just trying to conversations with you. So as I know that your name is really really good, Miss Ayushi. So please, Ayushi, I just requested
Yeah,
to you from bottom of my heart, could you please introduce yourself?
yeah, of course, I can introduce to myself. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to tell my name. This is Aiti, and I'm in Noida. I'm in class 8, and I'm 9 years old. My school name is Royal International School of Education, and my favorite teacher is Tamil ma'am because she teach that all students in English. And my hobbies are playing games, watching motivational speeches, solve Rubik's cube. It's I like to solve Rubik's cube. It's my hobby. And reading books, writing. That's it. And my short-term goal is to be fluent in English speaking, and my long-term goal is to be become a doctor.
Wow, that's really amazing. That's
Yeah,
really
but I'm just doing my short-term goal work that to improve my English.
wow, that's really amazing. So who motivate to you? Who motivate to you? Yeah, or I can say that you inspired after listening to any personality that you want to improve your English communications. What is the reason behind that?
Because I like to just speak in English. I very much like to speak in English. Mm, Hindi is my mother tongue, but I like English just speaking.
Why? But why do
Yeah,
you want to? Why? But why do you want to speak this language? Why are you so much crazy to learn this language? Because you also can learn any or any language like French, Germany, Malayalam, Bengali, Hindi, any language you also can learn. But why you are focused only and only on global language, on British language? I can say.
yeah, because in India so many people just only speak in English, and when we know English language fluently, when we can speak English language fluently, so we can get a good job,
Oh my
good
goodness.
opportunities. So that's why I just started to learn English.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are really very little pack, but you have really very diamond pack for us as the biggest pack of us. I cannot say, I cannot count you that you have 1 kg pack or 2 kg pack. You're bigger as a sky. Oh my God. You're really so sweet and you have really very great, great mindset you have. You right now you are only 9 years old, but you are thinking about too much. That's really amazing. Really, I really appreciate you. Really appreciate you because you are doing really great. You are thinking really great. You are learning English communications. That's really amazing. So, actually, Ayushi, I'm so much happy. I can say that you're really genius. I know very well you're really very diamond piece on on studies and as well as in your school also. So I want to know first of all about your schools. about your schools, teachers, and your classmates. So that please would you tell me what kind of natures you have? I want to ask the questions. I want to ask you one
Yeah.
question. That question is you are really very crazy to learn this language. And I also listened about your journey and about your that you're really very like you're really very conscious about this language. But I want to
Yes.
ask you that in your school, actually, I want to know about your school life. You are doing school studies, okay? So your teachers also like your teachers punish to you if you will not speak in English in school.
No, my teachers tell me that you can conversation in English, so conversation to all.
Oh, that's really amazing. So it
Yeah,
is a
just
compulsory.
in my class, ma'am and me, only ma'am and me conversation in English, and all children's conversation in Hindi only.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So
Yes,
you are one of the students. I can say you are precious students and you are really genius students that you can conversations with your teachers in English only.
yes.
Oh, that's
So
really amazing.
when yeah, teacher now my ma'am also teach me like tenses. Now my teacher only just to tell me tenses, what type of tenses, and what is meaning by tenses, how we
Okay.
can use tenses. Yeah. So when my teacher gave me like this work, so I made a first number in my class.
Wow, that's really amazing. Okay. So in these situations, I can guess easily that your teachers loves you. Am I right or not?
Yes, but my teachers loves all children in the school.
Yeah, but you are really very precious that you also can speak in English and you also can guide to all students and you also can speak with your teachers as well. So it's mean you are a special teacher, you special students for your teacher. Is it?
Yes,
Oh, that's really amazing. So in this situation that you are really very feeling proud on yourself.
yeah, I really proud to me.
Wow. Yeah, of course you should be. You should be. If you will not proud yourself, definitely no one can know you. But you are really very doing that you are one of the girl, one
Yeah,
of the daughter in your schools and you are speaking English and always prefer to speak in Hindi. But after seeing you, after noticing you, maybe a lot of students can speak in English. That students also can think,
yeah,
if Ayushi can speak in English, why can we not do? Of course, we can we try. Am I right, Ayushi?
yeah,
Oh, that's really
yeah,
amazing.
yeah. You know that when I just tell to my friend that you know what is meaning by English, I think you know that because her family ma'am teaches us English, so uh, you just try to learn it. So she tells no, it's very bored and it's very difficult. I can't just learn it, and it's very wrong. We should just do conversation in Hindi. She tell to me in Hindi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. That's really
but
great.
it's
Okay.
wrong. Yeah, when I just started to conversation, so I think that it's also it's difficult, very difficult. But when I conversation with lots of people, so I think that it's easy. When we make a positive mind, so we can just learn it.
Exactly. Exactly. So,
Yes,
really, absolutely right. In a beginning of time, when you just start any language, so definitely in the beginning of time, you can feel really very hard and really very
yeah,
tough. But after some time, where like when we are able to grab that language, so definitely that language will be changed tough into the easy process. Am I right, Ayushi?
yes. When we started to learn English, we are not very fluently, but when we just going on, when we keep it up, so we just we have confidence and we can speak fluently and confident also. So
That's really good.
yeah, we can conversation to someone like confidently. Like
Confident.
I'm conversation to you. Come, yeah,
Confidently. Exactly. Exactly.
yeah.
That's why I choose you. That's why I choose you for my podcast. I'm really so much exciting to make conversation with you. You know why? Because you are only 9 years old. You have really very great confidence. You cannot give the example, real example, only and only as you're similar of age. No, you also can give the examples when a lot of viewers and students and subscribers will see this video, and they also can get real motivation, and they also can think,
Yes,
if that girl can speak in English, that girl also has typically Hindi environment, not in home. Even she has also having into the school same like everyone. Her classmates, her teachers, everyone prefer to speak Hindi because she has not having any kind of environment in English. Her school's pillars has Hindi, but she is one of the angel as a princess, as a sky, what can I say, flying of the princess. I can say flying of the princess, that she also trying to speak in English. What is the reason behind that? Why? Why she so much? Why she so much conscious on this language? When I asked to her this question, and she also spoke very well because she also can get dashing salary. We also can do everything whatever we want about the future life, about the bright future, about the successful of life. That's why she is learning English language. But just see her confidence now. Please just try to see her confidence. Just try to capture her style. She is not a learner. I cannot say she is a learner. No, not at all. She's a great speaker as Ayushi. That in this situation, my question is that in these situations that you are really speaking very well. Okay, so I have questions that how to start your English journey. That you just trying to speak in the beginning of time, or you just focusing on your grammar portions nowadays.
yes. I just nowadays I improve my English, and 6 months ago I started to improve my English because I very like to speak in English, and when I don't know an English language, so I just talk something. I tell anything that I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, but to one day I don't know, just to I think that I should improve my English. That I like to improve, speak in English, so I can. I just improve my English.
Uh-huh. Okay,
Yeah.
so actually, Ayushi, could you please tell me about your some funny moments when you just did mistakes while the speaking time in a beginning of time, when you just started your English journey. At that time,
Yeah.
everyone happened with silly mistakes, and that time I like
Yeah.
we were really very angry, and we also thought, okay, just leave learning process because people laugh
Yeah.
on us.
Yeah.
So could you please
Yeah.
share
Like
with us funny
yeah.
moment? Yeah.
Yeah. When we just started to learn English, so when we just speak around, so we think that it's not good language, so we just leave it. It's not interesting. Yeah. And when we know that language, that I can do it. So we also can do it, and it's just we improve our English when we just think that I improve my English, I can speak in English, so we also can improve our English. Yeah, because in negative mind we think that I can't do it and these all things. But when just we do any just we speak in English, a good a correct sentence. So we think, yeah, I can do it.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
when we think that, yeah, I can do it. So I think it's wrong that we leave it. We just learn it and we can learn it. So
Wow.
when I started, yeah, I also think that I can't learn it, but sometimes I just speak right because it's tenses we use helping verbs. It's we use wrong sentence. We make wrong sentence and that tell wrong sentence. So that's the reason we think that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Absolutely right.
yeah,
So actually, my
yeah.
question,
When we can,
actually,
yeah, when we conversation, so we should make our positive mind.
exactly. So actually, my question was that actually, Ayushi, I'm really exciting to
Yeah,
know when you just started your English journey. At that time, you also did many mistakes. Like I just give example.
yeah,
Some children says and English like what can I say that I want mango. Okay, but it's not mango, it's mango. Okay, so sometimes
yeah,
we also did a wrong pronunciation and like just
yeah,
because of grammar structure. Like some people, some students, some children, and some people saying Almira is Almira. Almira is not Almira. They also saw Almira like that. So,
yeah,
so people also like laughed on you. So that time, what did you
yeah.
think? And that okay,
Like
people also
village
laughed.
people say that.
Exactly.
Yeah, Almira like this thing. Yeah, yeah. And we should tell it mango.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So actually,
yeah.
thing is that I want to know about your beautiful and funny moment when you just started your learning English language. What kind of
Yes.
mistakes you did?
Yeah, I just tell like these things. Mango. Yeah. And like these things, I mistake it. And in tenses and helping verb, I just state in wrong sentence. Its sentence is present simple, so I use is MR. So it's
Okay.
wrong. Yeah, I use present continuous tenses helping verb in present simple tense. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. I got that. I got that. And
like yeah,
some words which you learned today and you really is laughing on you yourself. Oh my God. When I just started my English journey at the time, I just use this word like this way. Like I just tell you about my journey. Because actually when I didn't know how to speak in English. And I was calling, you can say I used to wrong pronunciation. I can say that before
yeah,
15 months, I spoke friend, not friend. Now I just think about me, oh my God, this is you. Oh my God, that was really
yeah,
worth pronunciation. So some words you also remembered which you spoke in your past life are really very wrong, and now you laughing on yourself. Pronunciations word.
yes, yeah.
Which
But
kind of
some people, yeah, some people just begins to starting to improve our English. So uh, it just record to our videos conversation to someone. So it's very shy. It can't just conversation to openly because it's very shy. Yeah, that's why. Because in group meeting, it do not join it because it's very shy and still some people open our image in group meeting, but some people are very shy, so it do not open our video and because I meet I just conversation that people some a boy I conversation to that I tell that conversation is in Skype and in video call. So he tell no it's conversation in WhatsApp call in voice call. I he said that I like to voice call.
Oh, that's really
Yeah.
amazing. You are also smarter and clever as well. I can say like this. So actually, I just listened to about the bad peepers. Could you please tell me how could you know that peepers also talking to you as a Batman? What kind of
Yes.
experience you just gained? Yeah, what kind of experience you just gained, and you also you also thought that peepers not a good, that peepers mentality has worst or bad.
Yeah. mm, I just changed my words.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's really
I just
amazing.
changed my words. I just changed my words because same words, conversation I do not like. But when I just started to improve my English, so I just same conversation like so many beginners just do same conversation. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Like this type. It's the wrong conversation. Take any topic. Sometimes you have no topic, so change your words like how are you? I'm fine. I'm pretty well. I'm well. I'm good. I'm great. Like this thing, so you can use it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, uh-huh.
yeah. That's it.
Okay. Oh, that's really amazing. That's really amazing. Really, you are really doing great. Seriously, I will really appreciate you by clapping. So, Ayushi, actually, you are 9 years old, and you're really very beautiful angel. You're really stunning, and you're genius as well. And you are biggest fan. I can say that everyone, have desired to make a fan of you. But the thing is that now come to the point of education
Your
field. Uh-huh. You're saying something?
your English your English is better than me.
No, your English really, really good.
No,
You know, listen, you know why I'm saying to you that I just started my journey before 15 months. I'm really very elder than you, but you are really younger than me, and you are 9 years old, but you have really very great confidence. Would you please teach
yeah.
me? Would you please teach me?
How I can teach you? I'm also beginner.
No, actually, you are not big now. You're really, really good. Seriously, you're really great personality. You're really genius angel.
No, my dad teach me that all things that how I can take fluency in my English speaking skills.
I'm saying to be honest. Seriously, to be honest, you're really good. But I want to say you one thing that you are really, really doing great. Please just keep it up and don't go here and there and just try to focus on the education field. Okay, if
Yeah,
because you're really very looking wise really very gorgeous, no any doubt, and you're genius as well. You have really great voice, your voice really melodious, so sweet of you. And in this journey a lot of people will meet you. A lot of people can be really good and can be bad. Bad people will ask you different type of questions, so just try to be alert and just try to reply
yeah,
them. Don't be hesitate by the bad people's experience. just try to just
yeah,
try to share every experience with your parents. If someone is trying to do something wrong in a bad activities, so just try to tell to your parents so that your parents can teach you how to deal with the peoples. And
yeah.
suppose
In
you are outside and you also going picnic with your teachers, and in these
yeah,
conditions you don't have parent. In these conditions, suppose you right now
yeah,
there's no parents, your parents cannot help you because you also go outside. You can be with your teachers, so just try to tell first your teachers which you are facing any kind of harassment, any kind of activities by someone, and definitely they will teach you. Okay.
okay. Yeah. By
Oh.
the way, when I just I make my this WhatsApp group. I have two WhatsApp groups. So one people said me that you is mad. Yeah, it tell me that you is mad. You it use is yeah. It
Oh my
tell me
God.
that you is mad. You is mad.
Uh-huh.
He tell it to me. It's make wrong sentence and you tell me that your English is not better than me. He tell me that my English is better.
Okay,
Write
so
it that you is mad. It's so funny and so group people just laugh to it and I'm group admin so I cut it. I just deleted number.
oh, that's really amazing. That's really
Yeah,
amazing. So that time, actually, one participant's friend he said to you that you is mad. So that time you actually became angry or became as a really very enjoying after this sentence.
yeah.
What like what did you feel that time? You just laugh a lot or you just angry a lot?
I feel proud to me.
Oh my God. Yeah, of course. That's really great. That's really great. Okay, I want to ask you one question, Smoke. Can I ask you, Ayushi?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's really amazing. That's really
Yeah, I'm
amazing.
very enthusiastic to conversation to you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so actually, Ayushi, right now you so I think are taking a classes online classes. Okay,
Yeah,
you are not able to go to the schools just because of pandemic. So I want to know about
yes.
your experience, online experience. Are you really, really, you are feeling enjoying by the online classes?
Yeah, I think uh, I'm enjoying, but it's not very good for students because students just do our work with the phone with the help of phone and it's lots of work and it's lots of work so students see the phone just 1 hour 2 hour so that's why the online classes is not best the we go to school so that classes is best
Oh,
because
that's really great.
nowadays children do anything mistakes so uh, teacher tell you that you should do that so uh, children again just do mistakes so when teachers just are angry to children it, teachers can't slap to children because teachers is in our home and students are in our home so that's why it's not good for our
Okay,
for children eyes and it's also not good for teachers.
okay, that's really amazing.
Yeah,
Okay, that's really
yeah,
good.
but
Okay.
some children mother said that it go to school it's better now it children my children live in home it's not better
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
now
yeah.
children go to the children go to school so it's quite to all in our home but children now in the home so it's not quite here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you also telling about the mom's experience. That mom also
Yeah,
suggested to everyone, please just go to the school, and we also can keep environment peaceful. Just because of there is no any children, they also gone to the schools. That's really amazing.
yeah,
Okay, so I can say that means really, do you like to go school?
yeah,
Yeah, actually, I
yeah,
got that you are really so much enthusiastic to go to the schools just because of that. When you were telling to me that about the online classes or offline classes at that time, you also feeling, are you also telling about your experience which you faced with the classmates that teachers also can be slapped, and but because of online classes, teachers cannot punish to anyone. So this is the
yeah.
biggest. What do you think? This is the biggest impact of harm of the studies, or this is the good for students? They are so not. They will have no need to. taking a slaps and any kind of punishment. It is a good for them or not?
Yeah, yeah. So nowadays teachers can't just take any punishments to children, and now children tell to just think that teacher do not come, did not come in the home, so our home, so we can do anything.
Exactly, exactly. So what do you
Yeah,
think, it is a good for students or not?
it's not good for students or teachers also.
Oh, that's very good. Okay. So
Yeah,
we will,
but when we all go to school, so children think that it's holy. Teachers tell us to that it's 100 days holidays now. Now you can see that it's you, children now feel holiday, but now children are is also bored that it's online classes here, and in online classes we can't do study. Uh, uh, we can't get any work. Yeah, when we go to school and teacher teaches us, so that classes is very best for children.
exactly. That's really great.
Yeah,
Okay. So thank you so much, Ayushi. Thank you so much and have a great, good day. Have a great journey. And I hope, I wish to the God, I wish, and of course, I will suggest it to you. Please just try to go. Don't lose your practice about the English journey and just try to learn many things because you are a small pack, but you did biggest dhamaka. So just try to keep these
okay.
things in your mindset, in your mind, and in your heart as well. Okay.